How to log out of Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out of your Messenger account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Messenger. After you're on your Messenger, head over to the menu section on the bottom right. For some, it might be on the top left as well. After you're on your Messenger's menu, what you need to do is head over to your settings. That's on the top right below your profile. After you're on your settings, scroll down and there you will find Meta Account Center. Head over there, and after you're there, if you scroll down, you will see different options such as password and security. Tap on password and security. After you're here, under security checks, you'll find where you're logged in. Head over there, and there you should find your accounts. Simply choose your account, and after you're here, you will see an option to simply log out from your current devices. Tap on the device and from there you can log out. You can tap on select devices to log out as well, and simply select your device and log out from there. And that's how you log out of Messenger on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.